Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about the fact that it's going to manifest, but you're still not going to be happy, and I'm gonna tell you how to fix that in this video. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course, if you would like to book a one-on-one coaching, or if you would like to join my collective coaching program, all of the information will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can go on RitaKaminski.com and all of the information will be there as well. Have you ever gotten something in your life and you thought that you really wanted this thing? Think of a promotion, or maybe when you were a kid, you really wanted a puppy. You got that puppy for Christmas, you got that promotion, you got that raise, but you still weren't happy. See, the thing is that it's not a question of if, it's a question of when. You are going to get your manifestation regardless, but you're still not going to be happy because we were taught to attain, to work, to get, instead of being in this present moment and being joyful of everything that you have now. If you're manifesting an SP, you've been told you need to affirm, you need to do SATs, you need a script, you need to do all of these things, and so you're not in the energy of I'm so excited to have this person, cuddle with them every night, spend time with them, go on fun dates with them. You're just on this hamster wheel, just like you were all your life when your parents told you to get good grades, to get into a good university, and to get a good job. You're going to become a millionaire, you're going to move into that house, you're going to lose that weight, you're going to get that man, and you're going to be happy for a while, but our brains are wired to keep going, to attain. And so your entire life until you die, it's just going to be that over and over again. And it's going to get to the point where you will have everything in the world and you're not going to be happy. Instead of attaining, what we should be looking at is practicing being joyful in this moment, practicing being present. So for example, I'm sitting in my car now, I'm fully present in the moment, I'm sitting on heated seats, it feels really good. I'm driving an hour away with my boyfriend to a cafe. I'm really excited about it. During this video, I'm having fun. I'm fully in the present moment. I'm happy because this is going to help so many people. I'm excited to have my coffee, to have my brunch, to spend the day with my boyfriend, and I'm genuinely in this present moment. I'm not filming because I'm manifesting 1 million subscribers and I'm just trying to get, because I'm gonna get those 1 million subscribers, and if I don't practice being joyful now, I'm gonna start feeling empty. As you all know, I've been manifesting 100,000 subscribers. And when I got it, I celebrated it, I was happy. And as a human, the next day, I was like, cool, but what's next? Even though I was trying for 16 years to get this, my mind the next day was like, cool, on to 250k subscribers. It's like that for everything because our human minds are wired like that. That's okay, we can work with that. We're not going to try to fight ourselves, but you are going to feel more fulfilled when you get this thing if you practice being joyful with whatever you have now. With whatever you have, no matter how much you earn, no matter if you don't have a partner, no matter if you don't have any friends, you don't have any money, you're practicing in every single moment, doing the things that you enjoy. And when you're doing them, you're not doing them to get something. You're doing it because you're in the present moment and you are genuinely enjoying it. How do we do that? It's very easy. Our brain works more when we're sleeping than when we're watching TV. So when you're watching a movie, you're not thinking about anything else. You're in the present moment. You are genuinely enjoying the movie. You are fully enthralled in the storyline, in the character development. It's not something that you have to force yourself to do, but it's just something that you're mindful of. And I want you to do that for everything that you do in every single moment of your life. When you're tanning, you're enjoying the sun. You're just recognizing, the sun feels really nice on my skin right now. Those birds chirping, that sounds really cool. That sounds really relaxing. That meal that I'm having, it's really delicious. I'm really enjoying how this tastes. You don't have to analyze it. You don't have to think about it too much. It's just a simple recognition. And that is all that it takes. The funny thing is that when you practice this every single day, you will be on your highest timeline, so much so that everything that you want is going to come to you with such speed that you won't even know what hit you. And the gag is that when those things do come to you, you're actually going to be able to enjoy it. It's not going to be like, okay, cool, I got this person, I got this money, I got this career, what's next? Because there's always going to be a next. There's always going to be something else for you to attain. Another way that we do this is, I talk about this all the time, we ask ourselves, what will make me feel the happiest to do right now? And you do it. You let yourself do what will make you the happiest. For example, I know in the long term, if I go to the gym every day, even if I may not want to in that moment, I know that in the long term, I'm going to be happier. I'm going to be feeling more purposeful, like I have something to work on, and that's fun. Simply doing that, and if in the moment that feels like a responsibility, you're just making the most of it. You're putting on your favorite music, you know that you're going to get pre-workout, coffee, energy drinks, whatever. You're going to go to the gym to the best of your ability, make the most of it, and then you go back, treat yourself, and do the next thing that will make you feel the happiest. Going for a walk. But it's all about listening to your intuition, and as you're doing that, you're practicing enjoying being in this moment with what you have. And I know that sometimes that may feel like it has nothing to do with what you're manifesting right now, but it has everything to do with that. Everything. Because you're getting this partner, you're getting this promotion, financial freedom, business, car, house, for a reason. And the only reason is for your joy, for your happiness. But we're all missing that. It's all do, manifest, manifest, manifest. You're in the exact same programming you've been in your entire life. You may feel like, I know about the law of assumption now, my entire life has changed. You're still in that program, and you're still not going to be happy when you get that thing. So I want you to practice that every single moment of the day. With that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.